휴가 가는 게 기대돼요.
I'm looking forward to going on vacation.
I'm looking forward to going on vacation.
I'm looking forward to going on vacation.
제가 그거 먹어야 하나요?
Do I have to eat it?
Do I have to eat it?
Do I have to eat it?
주말에 운동해요.
Do you exercise on weekends?
Do you exercise on weekends?
Do you exercise on weekends?
추천할 만한 것이 있습니까?
Do you have any recommendations?
Do you have any recommendations?
Do you have any recommendations?
잠깐 이야기 좀 할까요?
Can I have a little talk with you?
Can I have a little talk with you?
Can I have a little talk with you?
자리를 바꿔도 돼요. Can I change my seat?
Can I change my seat?
Can I change my seat? 좀 더 줄까?
Do you want more?
Do you want more?
Do you want more?
손 씻었어? Did you wash your hands?
Did you wash your hands?
Did you wash your hands? 맛있는 거 먹자.
Let's eat something delicious.
Let's eat something delicious.
Let's eat something delicious.
보여줄게요.
I'll show you.
I'll show you.
I'll show you.
너가 그렇게 했다니 믿을 수 없어. I can't believe you did that.
I can't believe you did that.
I can't believe you did that. 전에 배운 적 있어요.
I have learned it before.
I have learned it before.
I have learned it before.
요리하는 거 도와드려요?
Can I help you cook?
Can I help you cook?
Can I help you cook?
어디서 만나?
Where do you guys meet?
Where do you guys meet?
Where do you guys meet?
저를 따라오세요.
Please follow me.
Please follow me.
Please follow me.
여기 있어요. Here you are.
Here you are.
Here you are. 지금 집에 가는 중이에요.
I'm on the way home.
I'm on the way home.
I'm on the way home.
귀띔해줘서 고마워요.
Thanks for the heads up.
Thanks for the heads up.
Thanks for the heads up.
재채기가 계속 나와요.
I keep on sneezing.
I keep on sneezing.
I keep on sneezing.
밤에 만나자.
Let's meet in the evening.
Let's meet in the evening.
Let's meet in the evening.
여기 자리 있나요?
Is this space taken?
Is this space taken?
Is this space taken?
이 시간에 문 연 식당이 있나요?
Is there a restaurant open at this time?
Is there a restaurant open at this time?
Is there a restaurant open at this time?
식은 죽 먹기야.
That's a piece of cake.
That's a piece of cake.
That's a piece of cake.
크게 말씀해 주세요.
Please speak up.
Please speak up.
Please speak up.
사면 초가야.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
나를 좀 도와줄래요?
Could you help me?
Could you help me?
Could you help me?
우유가 아니에요.
It's not milk.
It's not milk.
It's not milk.
점심 먹으러 나가자.
Let's go out for lunch.
Let's go out for lunch.
Let's go out for lunch.
정말 더운 날씨네요.
It's terribly hot.
It's terribly hot.
It's terribly hot.
이것은 한국으로 수출되나요?
Is this exported to Korea?
Is this exported to Korea?
Is this exported to Korea?
주유소를 찾고 있어요.
I am looking for a gas station.
I am looking for a gas station.
I am looking for a gas station.
혼자 있을 때는 무엇을 해요?
What do you do when you are alone?
What do you do when you are alone?
What do you do when you are alone?
우리 모두 그것을 같이 말해봅시다.
Let's say it all together.
Let's say it all together.
Let's say it all together.
탈의실은 어디예요?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
가족이 몇 명이세요?
How many are there in your family?
How many are there in your family?
How many are there in your family?
컵 좀 주실래요?
Can I have a cup?
Can I have a cup?
Can I have a cup?
한번 찾아보자.
Let's look for it.
Let's look for it.
Let's look for it.
다른 것은 없나요?
Do you have anything else?
Do you have anything else?
Do you have anything else?
고기 요리는 어떤 것이 있나요?
What kind of meat do you have?
What kind of meat do you have?
What kind of meat do you have?
뭘 기다리고 있어요?
What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
어디가 아파요?
Where does it hurt?
Where does it hurt?
Where does it hurt?
무엇을 먹고 싶어요?
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
시트를 갈아주세요.
I would like to have the sheets changed.
I would like to have the sheets changed.
I would like to have the sheets changed.
20살이에요.
I'm 20 years old.
I am 20 years old.
I'm 20 years old.
잠 잘 시간입니다.
It's time to go to bed.
It's time to go to bed.
It's time to go to bed.
이번 여름에 어디로 갈 거예요?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
여기는 자유석인가요?
Is this a non-reserved seat? Is this a non-reserved seat? Is this a non-reserved seat?
냅킨을 주세요.
I need a napkin, please.
I need a napkin, please.
I need a napkin, please.
놀라게 하지 마세요.
Don't surprise me.
Don't surprise me.
Don't surprise me.
잠을 깨워서 죄송합니다.
I am sorry to wake you up.
I am sorry to wake you up.
I am sorry to wake you up.
향이 좋아.
It smells good.
It smells good.
It smells good.
엘리베이터가 수리 중입니다.
The elevator is out of order.
The elevator is out of order.
The elevator is out of order.
예약을 해야 하나요?
Do I have to make a reservation?
Do I have to make a reservation?
Do I have to make a reservation?
전 학교에 가요.
I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
저는 영어도 가르쳐요.
I teach English as well.
I teach English as well.
I teach English as well.
방학 동안에 뭐 할 거예요?
What will you do during the vacation?
What will you do during the vacation?
What will you do during the vacation?
그분은 지금 회의 중이세요.
He's in a meeting now.
He's in a meeting now.
He's in a meeting now.
난 종종 새벽에 잠이 깨.
I often wake up at dawn.
I often wake up at dawn.
I often wake up at dawn.
내가 이것을 해야 한다고 생각해?
Do you think I should do this?
Do you think I should do this?
Do you think I should do this?
듣기만 하고 말하지 마세요.
Just listen. Don't say anything.
Just listen. Don't say anything.
Just listen. Don't say anything.
여기 앉으세요.
Please sit down here.
Please sit down here.
Please sit down here.
무엇을 말하고 싶어요?
What do you want to say?
What do you want to say?
What do you want to say?
거의 완성됐어.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
담요를 가져다 드려요?
Can I get you a blanket?
Can I get you a blanket?
Can I get you a blanket?
책이 책상 위에 있어요.
The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk.
제가 가게 문을 닫을까요?
Do you want me to close the shop?
Do you want me to close the shop?
Do you want me to close the shop?
노래 부를 때 행복하니?
Are you happy when you sing?
Are you happy when you sing?
Are you happy when you sing?
우리는 이 페이지의 대화를 들을 거예요.
Well, listen to the dialogue on page 2.
Well, listen to the dialogue on page 2.
Well, listen to the dialogue on page 2.
그를 보러 왔어요.
I'm here to see him.
I'm here to see him.
I'm here to see him.
어제 영화 봤어.
Did you see the movie yesterday?
Did you see the movie yesterday?
Did you see the movie yesterday?
제가 나중에 전화할까요?
Do you want me to call you later?
Do you want me to call you later?
Do you want me to call you later?
미안해요. 전 1시간 전에 식사했어요.
Sorry. I ate an hour ago.
Sorry. I ate an hour ago.
Sorry. I ate an hour ago.
눈이 충혈됐어요.
I have bloodshot eyes.
I have bloodshot eyes.
I have bloodshot eyes.
양말 벗어요.
Let's take off your socks.
Let's take off your socks.
Let's take off your socks.
오늘은 무슨 요일이에요?
What day is it today?
What day is it today?
What day is it today?
제비뽑기로 하자.
Let's draw to see who goes first.
Let's draw to see who goes first.
Let's draw to see who goes first.
아직 보내지 마세요.
Don't send it yet.
Don't send it yet.
Don't send it yet.
과일 주스를 주시겠어요?
Could I have a fruit punch?
Could I have a fruit punch?
Could I have a fruit punch?
내가 너라면 화가 날 거야.
If I were you, I'd be furious.
If I were you, I'd be furious.
If I were you, I'd be furious.
너 노래 잘 하잖아.
You're a good singer.
You're a good singer.
You're a good singer.
제가 한 잔 살게요.
Let me buy you a drink.
Let me buy you a drink.
Let me buy you a drink.
아뇨. 지금 자리에 없어요.
No. He's not here at this moment.
No. He's not here at this moment.
No. He's not here at this moment.
너 수영했었잖아.
You used to swim.
You used to swim.
You used to swim.
냄비 좀 줄래?
Can you pass me the pot?
Can you pass me the pot?
Can you pass me the pot?
기타 연주할 줄 알아요?
Do you know how to play the guitar?
Do you know how to play the guitar?
Do you know how to play the guitar?
매운 음식을 좋아해요?
Do you like spicy food?
Do you like spicy food?
Do you like spicy food?
저 애기 귀여운 것 같지 않아?
Don't you think that baby is cute?
Don't you think that baby is cute?
Don't you think that baby is cute?
가장 가까운 버스 정류장이 어디예요?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
영어 공부를 해야 하나요?
Do I have to study English?
Do I have to study English?
Do I have to study English?
콘서트는 어땠어요?
How was the concert?
How was the concert?
How was the concert?
같이 사진 찍어요.
Let's take a picture together.
Let's take a picture together.
Let's take a picture together.
맛있어요.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
곧 따라갈게요.
I'll catch up with you.
I'll catch up with you.
I'll catch up with you.
심심해 죽겠어요.
I'm bored to death.
I'm bored to death.
I'm bored to death.
이것을 일본에 보낼 수 있나요?
Can you send this to Japan? Can you send this to Japan? Can you send this to Japan?
이 하나가 흔들거려요.
I think one of my teeth is loose.
I think one of my teeth is loose.
I think one of my teeth is loose.
버스를 놓쳐서 늦었어요.
I was late because I missed the bus.
I was late because I missed the bus.
I was late because I missed the bus.
아주 잘했어요.
You're doing great.
You're doing great.
You're doing great.
이 연습 문제를 같이 풀어봐요.
Let's go through this exercise.
Let's go through this exercise.
Let's go through this exercise.
시간 딱 맞게 도착했어.
We arrived on time.
We arrived on time.
We arrived on time.
이것을 어떻게 생각합니까?
What's your opinion on this?
What's your opinion on this?
What's your opinion on this?
이 대화를 외우세요.
Memorize this dialogue.
Memorize this dialogue.
Memorize this dialogue.
저는 그것에 반대입니다.
I am against it.
I am against it.
I am against it.
쇼핑 갈 준비됐어?
Are you ready to go shopping?
Are you ready to go shopping?
Are you ready to go shopping?
이건 뜨거워.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
타이어를 점검해 주시겠어요?
Would you check my tires?
Would you check my tires?
Would you check my tires?
김치가 맛있어 보여.
Kimchi looks so delicious.
Kimchi looks so delicious.
Kimchi looks so delicious.
맹세할 수 있어.
Cross my heart and hope to die.
Cross my heart and hope to die.
Cross my heart and hope to die.
운전 조심해서 해.
Drive carefully.
Drive carefully.
Drive carefully.
내일부터 할 거야.
I'll start from tomorrow.
I'll start from tomorrow.
I'll start from tomorrow.
제가 점심 대접하고 싶어요.
Let me treat you to lunch.
Let me treat you to lunch.
Let me treat you to lunch.
당신을 도와줘야 하나요?
Do I have to help you?
Do I have to help you?
Do I have to help you?
화내서 죄송합니다.
I am sorry for getting mad.
I am sorry for getting mad.
I am sorry for getting mad.
우리는 2001년에 결혼했어요.
We got married in 2001. We got married in 2001. We got married in 2001.
사무실에서 일해요.
I work at the office.
I work at the office.
I work at the office.
우리는 물을 안 마실 거야.
We will not drink water.
We will not drink water.
We will not drink water.
그림을 그리세요.
Draw a picture.
Draw a picture.
Draw a picture.
우산 가지고 가는 게 어때요?
How about taking an umbrella?
How about taking an umbrella?
How about taking an umbrella?
친한 친구를 사귀는데 시간이 걸려요.
It takes time to make a best friend.
It takes time to make a best friend.
It takes time to make a best friend.
걱정해줘서 고마워요.
Thanks for your concern.
Thanks for your concern.
Thanks for your concern.
이번에는 빠르게 읽을게요.
I'll read it fast this time.
I'll read it fast this time.
I'll read it fast this time.
침대에서 뛰지 마세요.
Don't jump on the bed.
Don't jump on the bed.
Don't jump on the bed.
계속해봐.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Go for it.
이 식당은 항상 손님이 많아요.
This restaurant is always crowded.
This restaurant is always crowded.
This restaurant is always crowded.
집안 환기 좀 해야겠어요.
This house needs a good airing.
This house needs a good airing.
This house needs a good airing.
나를 따라해 보세요.
Now I want you to repeat after me.
Now I want you to repeat after me.
Now I want you to repeat after me.
관광 여행 프로그램이 있어요?
Do you have guided tours?
Do you have guided tours?
Do you have guided tours?
말하지 않겠습니다.
I won't tell you.
I won't tell you.
I won't tell you.
힘내세요.
Cheer up.
Cheer up.
Cheer up.
이 병명은 무엇입니까?
What's the name of this disease?
What's the name of this disease?
What's the name of this disease?
어쩔 수 없어.
I can't help it.
I can't help it.
I can't help it.
아무도 안 할 거예요.
No one will do it.
No one will do it.
No one will do it.
이거 카메라예요.
This is a camera.
This is a camera.
This is a camera.
이가 아파요.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
우리 취미를 가져볼까?
Shall we have a hobby? Shall we have a hobby? Shall we have a hobby?
몇 가지 질문을 할게요.
I'll ask you some questions.
I'll ask you some questions.
I'll ask you some questions.
호수는 고요해.
The lake is still.
The lake is still.
The lake is still.
70번 버스를 타요.
I take bus number 70.
I take bus number 70.
I take bus number 70.
이 주전자에 물 좀 끓여줄래요?
Could you boil some water in this kettle?
Could you boil some water in this kettle?
Could you boil some water in this kettle?
질문 있습니까?
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any questions?
메시지를 남길게요.
I'll leave a message.
I'll leave a message.
I'll leave a message.
어떤 종류의 와인이 있어요?
What kind of wine do you have? What kind of wine do you have? What kind of wine do you have?
이곳은 처음이세요?
Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
이사했다고 들었어요.
I heard that you moved.
I heard that you moved.
I heard that you moved.
목이 아파요.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
여기에 사인해주세요.
Please sign here.
Please sign here.
Please sign here.
이제 미달이 차례예요.
Now it is Middle's turn.
Now it is Middle's turn.
Now it is Middle's turn.
이 가방은 얼마예요?
How much is this handbag?
How much is this handbag?
How much is this handbag?
좋은 생각이군요.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Good idea.
이제 게임했으니 공부할게.
Now that I've played games, I'll study.
Now that I've played games, I'll study.
Now that I've played games, I'll study.
전화번호가 어떻게 되세요?
Can I have your telephone number?
Can I have your telephone number?
Can I have your telephone number?
이야기 중 끼어들어서 죄송합니다.
Pardon me for cutting in. Pardon me for cutting in. Pardon me for cutting in.
우리는 센트럴 파크로 갈 거야.
We're going to the Central Park.
We're going to the Central Park.
We're going to the Central Park.
자리에서 먼저 일어나도 될까요?
May I leave the table?
May I leave the table?
May I leave the table?
정말 안 됐네요.
That's too bad.
That's too bad.
That's too bad.
소리 지르지 마.
Stop yelling.
Stop yelling.
Stop yelling.
난 이 보고서에 동의해.
I'll go along with this report. I'll go along with this report. I'll go along with this report.
몇 시에 저녁 먹어요?
What time do you eat dinner?
What time do you eat dinner?
What time do you eat dinner?
우산 좀 빌려줄래?
Can you lend me your umbrella?
Can you lend me your umbrella?
Can you lend me your umbrella?
이길 것으로 기대해요.
I'm looking forward to a win.
I'm looking forward to a win.
I'm looking forward to a win.
잠이 안 와요.
I can't sleep.
I can't sleep.
I can't sleep.
이 하나가 썩었어요.
One of your teeth was rotten.
One of your teeth was rotten.
One of your teeth was rotten.
행복하자.
Let's be happy.
Let's be happy.
Let's be happy.
가르쳐 주세요.
Please teach me.
Please teach me.
Please teach me.
나중에 결정할게요.
I will decide later.
I will decide later.
I will decide later.
자리 하나 남았어.
There's only one seat left.
There's only one seat left.
There's only one seat left.
욕조에 들어가죠.
Let's get into the bathtub.
Let's get into the bathtub.
Let's get into the bathtub.
무엇에 관해 말하길 원해요?
What do you want to talk about?
What do you want to talk about?
What do you want to talk about?
내가 너라면 입 조심할 거야.
If I were you, I'd watch my mouth.
If I were you, I'd watch my mouth.
If I were you, I'd watch my mouth.
전 성격이 급해요.
I'm an impatient person.
I am an impatient person.
I'm an impatient person.
소금 좀 빌릴 수 있을까요?
Can I borrow your salt?
Can I borrow your salt?
Can I borrow your salt?
그거 좀 보여주세요.
Please show me this.
Please show me this.
Please show me this.
출산을 축하해요.
Congratulations on your new baby.
Congratulations on your new baby.
Congratulations on your new baby.
시내 지도가 있습니까?
Do you have any city maps?
Do you have any city maps?
Do you have any city maps?
그는 제정신이 아니야.
He must be out of his mind. He must be out of his mind. He must be out of his mind.
이거 되게 좋아하네요.
You like this very much.
You like this very much.
You like this very much.
뭐라고 했어요?
What did you say?
What did you say?
What did you say?
너무 늦지 마.
Don't be too late.
Don't be too late.
Don't be too late.
우리랑 함께 가실래요?
Do you want to come along with us?
Do you want to come along with us?
Do you want to come along with us?
좀 쉴 수 있을까요?
Can I have some time off?
Can I have some time off?
Can I have some time off?
그럴 때도 됐지.
It's about time.
It's about time.
It's about time.
왜 이직하고 싶어요?
Why do you want to change jobs?
Why do you want to change jobs?
Why do you want to change jobs?
어제 일 안 했어요.
I didn't work yesterday.
I didn't work yesterday.
I didn't work yesterday.
얼마나 자주 와요?
How often do you come?
How often do you come?
How often do you come?
저도 싫어요.
I hate it too.
I hate it too.
I hate it too.
사랑에 빠지는데 시간이 걸려요.
It takes time to fall in love.
It takes time to fall in love.
It takes time to fall in love.
점심때 뭐 먹을까?
What should we eat for lunch?
What should we eat for lunch?
What should we eat for lunch?
이 치마 입어봐도 되나요?
Can I try this skirt on?
Can I try this skirt on?
Can I try this skirt on?
이제 너가 18살이니 성인이야.
Now that you're 18, you're an adult.
Now that you're 18, you're an adult.
Now that you're 18, you're an adult.
택시는 어디에서 탈 수 있죠?
Where can I find a taxi?
Where can I find a taxi?
Where can I find a taxi?
이 길이 아닌 것 같아요.
I think this is the wrong way.
I think this is the wrong way.
I think this is the wrong way.
한국어를 혼자 공부해요?
Do you study Korean alone?
Do you study Korean alone?
Do you study Korean alone?
등산 같이 갈래요?
Do you want to go hiking?
Do you want to go hiking?
Do you want to go hiking?
농담한 거예요.
I'm just joking.
I'm just joking.
I'm just joking.
물 마실래?
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
지금 배달돼요.
Can you deliver it now?
Can you deliver it now?
Can you deliver it now?
이 주소로 어떻게 가나요?
How do I get to this address?
How do I get to this address?
How do I get to this address?
아주 잘 되고 있어.
It's going very well.
It's going very well.
It's going very well.
얼마나 무거워요?
How heavy is it?
How heavy is it?
How heavy is it?
떠들지 마세요.
Don't make noise.
Don't make noise.
Don't make noise.